Good Sunday morning, guys. Meteorologist Joseph Neubauer here at KOCO 5. Oh my goodness, it was our coldest morning since February 22nd of earlier this year. We had widespread mid to lower teens. It was anywhere between 14 to 16 degrees here in the OKC metro. When you look at wind chill, we had wind chill values at the lowest, sub-zero up in northern Oklahoma. -5 was the coldest I could find up in Osage County. Here in the OKC metro, the lowest wind chill was anywhere from -1 to 2 degrees, feels like temperature. And unfortunately, that feels like temperature, it stays well below freezing through the entire day, only warming into the mid-20s for wind chill later this afternoon. Our highs today will actually struggle to get above 32. Widespread low to mid-30s for your Sunday afternoon highs and feeling like the mid-20s. And staying cold tonight. One more bitterly cold night with wind chill values in the lower teens Monday morning.